Hey everyone, it's Matt and Kai here, and we're here with Sam from Tradezone.
Sam's going to take us through Tradezone, show us the extensive range of products and how they service the electrical industry.
All right, let's go. Yeah, so we've got a distribution centre in every state. Service the solar, HVAC data, aircon customers nationally. Everything's in one store, and it's going really, really well.
Yeah, good.
Customers love it. They place their orders before 8 o'clock at night. They get their stuff the next morning.
Really?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yep.
That's good, eh? Very productive.
Delivery service is absolutely on point.
What's your loyalty program?
Yeah, loyalty program is very, very good. One of the market leaders. You get points on every product you order, and we have a loyalty store where you can use your points to buy a PlayStation 5.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Right. So kind of like a Virgin points.
Yeah, like Flybuys or something like that. Yeah.
I never afford any.
Buy a gift card. Probably even get a bunch of flowers for your missus if you want.
Perfect.
Right.
It's very good loyalty program.
That's actually quite cool.
Yeah, very, very strong online platform. Our website, we've got 10,000 SKUs in stock across the country. In all of the different categories, and really are just a great one-stop shop for all the contractors if they're doing different board things of work and all that. I reckon my favourite thing from a contractor's perspective about Tradezone would have to be our online platform and the way we've merged the traditional wholesale model into the online, say, Amazon space. They've really got the best of both worlds. They can hop on at 11 o'clock at night, create a job list, live pricing, live stock availability. They don't have to wait for their wholesale to open up at 6 o'clock the next morning. They can do whatever they want, whenever they want.
Exactly right.
Flexibility.
So
that's cool.
Our logistics are absolutely brilliant. We have 6 tailgate trucks in every distribution centre. So no matter how big your job is, we can deliver it to your job site. Take it off, tailgate truck, happy days.
Yeah, right.
I do see the old Tradezone trucks everywhere, all over the roads. That's good.
Quite often.
Tradezone, very proud Australian-owned family business, and we're very passionate about supporting other Australian-owned business as well, like a lot of our suppliers, clients, and also Grove Racing, these guys here today.
Alrighty, mate. We've been to the warehouse, which is pretty cool. We're now in the trade counter zone, if you call it. Explain to us a bit about like what this is about.
So this is our trade counter. We've got our pickup section here. A bit of a misconception about Tradezone in this industry is that we're just predominantly only online. Set up like your standard electrical wholesaler. Place your orders online, come in, give us your invoice number, come and pick up your order, or just come in, place an order, we'll put it through for you and get it picked straight away.
Done. That's pretty cool.
So we've just seen Kai have a shot with our Edge Invitational promo. Tradezone, amazing in that space. Weekly promos, all array of different things, Prezi vouchers, spend and gets, so many to mention. Hop on to tradezone.com.au and have a look yourself. So guys, it's been so great to have Penrite Racing here today, give them an understanding of what we do and show them all our products, warehouses, sales, the works. Come along anytime, fellas. And for you guys out there, hop on to tradezone.com.au, give us a look.
Yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
No worries, appreciate it a lot.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you.